Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that counts the number of occurrences of a character in a string. And we are going to use the count function. Here, I'm asking the user to enter a string, and the entered string by the user is going to be stored in the variable called text. And then I'm going to ask the user enter the character to count, and whatever the user is going to enter is going to store in character. So for example, this is my string and I would like to ask so let me put it like this. So this is my string and I want the Python to count the number of occurrences of this A character, this A letter. So in this string, we are having 1 and 2 A's, okay? I want Python to count it for me. To do that, I need to use the count function. First, I type down the name of my variable in which I'm storing the string. Then I type the name of the function that is count. And in parentheses, I type down the name of the variable that we're storing the character inside of it. So when I run this code, it should first ask me to enter a string and then ask me to enter the character to count. So enter a string. So this is my string Reza Shahin, okay? And then enter the character to count. So I would say A, and we see that the result is 2. So there are 2 A's in my string Reza Shahin. As you see, the answer is correct. 1 A, and this is the second A, okay? We could also say, for example, Reza Shahin, for example, with a PhD degree. Okay, so now I would like to count the number of A's. We see that there are 3 occurrences of character A. This is the second one, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So if I also Reza Shahin with a PhD degree, I could say, for example, count the number of occurrences of character E, and it says 4 characters of E are being in my string. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third and fourth one. So this is how we can use the count function in Python to count the number of occurrences of a character. Thank you for watching.